Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Mary Academy. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2 and some selective questions of exercise 1.2 that will be solved by me in this session of video. We also discuss about place value and face value of a number and come to know how to write the numbers in expanded form and short form. This video is a standard 3A subject mathematics. So let us first we know number. As we know that the number is composed with the help of digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are digits. I am from 1 to 9. All these numbers are one digit number. In the same way, 10 to 99, two digit number. 100 to 999, three digit number. In the same way, 1000 to from 1000 to 9999, four digit numbers, so on. So first we just discuss about place value. What is place value? The place value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit according to the position of the digit in the number. For example, suppose we have to write the place value of 3251. So what is the place value of each digit of the number? As we know that 1 is at one place, so the place value of 1 is 1. 5 is at 10 place, so the place value of 5 is 5 into 10, 50. 2 is at 100 place, so 2 into 100 is equal to 200. 3 is at 1000 place, so 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. In this way we come to know the place value of 8 digits of this number. The place value of 1 is 1, the place value of 5 is 50, the place value of 2 is 200, and the place value of 3 is 3000. Now the next point to be discussed is face value. So the face value of the digit of a number is the value of the digit itself. Now we have to find the face value of all digits of the number 3251. So as we know that the face value of the digit of a number is the value of itself. The face value of the digit of a number is the value of the digit itself. So the face value of 1 is equal to 1. The face value of 5 is equal to 5. The face value of 2 is equal to 2. And the face value of 3 is equal to 3. Now we have selected some questions from exercise 1.2 to be solved. So the first question is that place the sand greater or smaller between the following number. The first number is just we have write the two numbers here, 5027 and 4587. As we know that how do we recognize which number is greater? Just we first we see how many digits are there in the given number. There are 4 digits. So just we see 1000 plus digit. Here in this number 1000 plus digit is 5, while in this number 1000 plus digit is 4. So absolutely this number is greater than this number. So 5027 is greater than 4587. In the same way 6805 and here 6821. In these two numbers there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Just we see 100 plus 1000 plus digit first, as we know that 1000 plus digit are same in both numbers. After that we see 100 plus digit. 100 plus digits of the both numbers are same. Then we see 10 plus digit. Here 10 plus digit is 0, while 10 plus digit of the other side number is 2. So this number is greater than this number. So we put here sign of greater here. So 6805 is less than 6821. Now write the number. The second question, write the number name and represent them on an abacus. First we draw here abacus. This one ones, this one tens, 100, and this one 1000. Okay, and the number is here ones, tens, 100, 1000, and the number is 7301. So 1 plus digit is 1. So we here draw a circle and color it. 10 plus digit is 0, so we'll leave it. 100 plus digit is 3, so we draw here 3 circle shaped figure and we color it. 1000 plus digit is 7, so we draw here 7 round shaped figure. In this way 7301. We have to write this in number name. So 7 thousands 301. We have already written the number name of 7301 here, and we have also represent them on abacus. Now arrange the following number in ascending and descending order. in order to sorry in order to represent the given numbers in ascending form, we just start writing the numbers from a smaller number of the given group of the numbers. So we just find out which number is smaller. This number is smaller, so 3821. Then after 7301 is greater than 3821. Then after we write 8083, and after that 8375 is the greatest number of this group of number. Now descending order. In order to write the numbers in descending order, we write starting from larger number to smaller number. So larger number is 8375, then 8083, 7001, and the smallest number of this group is 3821. Now the next point is to write the numbers in expanded form. Here the number is given 9862. So we just 9 into 1000 plus 8 into 100, because 8 is at 100 place and 6 is at 10 place, so we multiply this number by 16, and 2 is at 1 place, so we multiply this number by 1. Here we get 9000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 2. So 9000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 2 is expanded form of 9862. Now here is the more question. Write in the standard form and in words. So the number is 8000, 100, 4 tens, 4 ones. We just write this number as standard form 8000, 100, 4 tens, 0. So this is the standard form of the given number 8000 plus 100 plus 4 tens plus 0 ones. And we can also write this number in words. 8000, we just write this one, 8000, 4 tens, 8000, 441, 8041. So 8000, 100, 4 tens, 40. Sorry. We just write it as 8040. Just 8040, and the standard form of this number is 8040. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There is some homework for class standard there is some homework for standard 3A. You have to complete exercise 1.2 in your notebook. So thank you for watching this video.